It's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. You don't know. But today's video I'll be making saltfish, Jamaican saltfish fritters. Okay, saltfish fritters. Right now the fritters are fry up over there, so I was like, let me come with an introduction real quick. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification on, so you get every time the girl uploads a new video. If you're OD returning, you are awesome. If you're OD returning back to my channel, you're awesome. And to all my new subbies, welcome to the channel. Welcome to all this fluffiness. Okay guys, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. Everything will be down in the description down below, guys. Yes, so without further ado, let's get into the video, because I know I'm something born up right now to cook. Lego, bye. Alright guys, so first things first, I got some saltfish soaking. I had this soaking overnight so it could help extract all that saltiness. Woo! Yes. And over here, I have some pot of water boiling. So I'm going to just transfer the saltfish into a pot and just boil out all of the excess saltiness. You don't want to boil it out completely, because you still want a little bit of a salty flavor. So yeah, I'm gonna boil that, and then I'm gonna just come back when it's finished and everything. Boil it about 20 minutes. Change your water twice so it can be well salt free. You see down the bottom of that, you see that? Little bits of salt that fell off. So yeah, this is gonna be a quick video, guys. So you Lego. Hold on, let me put this in here for y'all. Be careful, because this thing will boil over. Turn on this. Alright. Just make sure you keep an eye on this. So I'm gonna bring this to a boil and then change out the water. And then bring it to a boil again, then change out the water and then bring it to a boil again. And pretty much done. Yeah. Alright guys, so while the saltfish boils, I'm just cut up some veggies. I got my green bell pepper and I have my red bell pepper. I got one tomato. I just cut it in half. I got one tomato and I got a piece of onion. So I'm basically just gonna cut these up in bite-sized pieces so I can mix it in to my flour and the saltfish and everything. Just mix up everything. Just cut these small. If you don't like onions, you could leave it out. Any of these ingredients that you don't like, you can definitely leave them out. But I like them. It brings out the flavor of the saltfish even more. Saltfish fritters even more. So yeah. So I'm going to just cut this up. One tomato. You can use less, because this is a lot. This is a lot of goodness. Ooh. I haven't had, I always say this, I haven't had flitters in so long. Saltfish fritters. Coming too cheap. Like, saltfish be expensive trying to buy saltfish at the store. I'm like, I'm not spending that much money on those saltfish. Like my Walmart up here, it's $10 for a bag of saltfish, codfish, however you want to call it. I was like, I'm not spending $10. I am not spending $10 on that. But my dad bought me this, so I was like, you know what, whatever, I'm gonna use this. See, I made a lot of videos with this. I definitely put this saltfish to use. Oh man, I surely did. I made Ackee on saltfish with breadfruit. I did seasoned rice. And now I am doing this saltfish video. Guys, there's so much things you could do with saltfish, like no lie. No lie. Options are endless. Endless. Yeah. So my saltfish done boil up in us, so because I soaked it last night, so it didn't take long to get all of the salt out. So yeah, this is it. Alright guys, I'm gonna tell you the options that you could go with. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with yet, but I'm gonna just let y'all know what you could do. So these, you could just add them in directly into your saltfish mixture and flour, or you could saute these down. Like you could saute them down first, and then put them together. If you don't really like the onion taste and the bell pepper taste, you could saute it down so you don't really taste it that much. But if you don't care, you want that goodness, you just put everything together like this, raw like this. Okay? I think I'm gonna put mine together raw like this, coming out of time. Saute, you know. Okay, so this is a lot, so it's really gonna stretch the dish. Because I'm just using a little bit of saltfish and I got some flour, so this is gonna make this a lot. Yeah, so soon come back. Alright guys, so saltfish done. Just chop it up a little bit, mash it up. I know it's not a lot, but I'ma stretch it, okay? I'ma stretch the saltfish. I don't know, so you have to stretch everything so it can last longer. So right here I have my flour, my all-purpose flour. So I'm gonna just put about 1 cup of flour in this. That's what I'm gonna work with for now, 1 cup. And I'm gonna add some salt. You can use whatever salt you got, just a little bit. And I'm gonna go with some black pepper. I got my black pepper right here. I'm gonna put a gracious amount. I'm gonna put a lot in here, just a good amount. And I got some all-purpose. Okay, where the lighting at? Where the lighting at? Where are you? Alright, so I'm gonna put some of that. I'm just seasoning up my flour. I'm gonna add some more back into it later on. So then I'm gonna go with my mix of veggies. Yum, straight into the flour. Ooh, get all that onion up in there. Ooh, wee. Yeah. Whoa. See how that look turn up? Nobody can. Let me zoom in on this. Ooh, too much. Ooh. There you go. Nobody can tell me nothing. And I'm gonna go with my saltfish. Make sure you break, if you're not using a lot of saltfish, make sure you break it down to the finest so you can stretch it really good. So break that saltfish down. Ooh, I can't wait to eat this. Saltfish good up. So I'm gonna go with some water. I'm going with some water. I would suggest starting out with 1/2 cup to 1 cup of water to test it out. Anyways, if it gets too watery, you can always add more flour. Oh man, this looks so good. So good. For anybody that's watching this, any of my subscribers that's watching this, and this is your first time seeing this, leave me a comment down below. Make sure you try this out because y'all will not be disappointed. so good. Ooh, so delicious. Oh man, oh yeah. You see that? This is so thick. All right, so I'm gonna go with a little bit more flour. I mean, black pepper. And I'm gonna go with some more all-purpose seasoning. Remember I told you y'all can probably find this at international grocery store or check international aisle, but mine comes straight from yard, straight from J. So the only thing left is really to fry. Let me let y'all see. Only thing left is to fry this up. So that look turn up bomba. Ooh. Ooh. You can add a pinch of baking powder in there if you want to. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add a pinch in mine. Just a little bit. Hold on. All right, that's it. Just a little bit. All right, there you go. If you do want to add baking powder, add it when you put the flour in. Okay? Not don't do it last step like how I did. Oh man, but it should be fine. Yo, that thing ya turn up. Turn up in my stomach, my belly, yum yum. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna fry these up and fry it up. And that's it. Yo, let me tell you that it's quick and simple. You wouldn't believe it. I would say you really need a saltfish because it gives it a different type of taste. So don't do it without the saltfish. You could try it if you want to. If you want to go meatless or whatever, less. You can try it without the saltfish. Yeah, just make sure you season it well. Season it up well. So yeah, so come back, fry it up. Yeah. Alright guys, so my oil is ready. I just used some canola oil. So right now my temp is on medium. And I'm gonna go with my flitters. See, I don't want mine too thick. I want them to be flat. There you go. Ooh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Delicious. Alright, these are really big, guys. Oh, make sure y'all can see. Alright. Alright guys, so these are pretty big. If you want yours smaller, just put less batter. And if you want yours a little thicker than mine, just add more flour into it so it can have that thickness. So when you drop it in, it won't spread. And if you want them to be thicker, mine look nice to me. So I'm gonna fry these up until nice and golden. Flip it over on the next side and it's pretty much done. Done. Oh man. Whew. Give it take 3 minutes on each side. I'll see when I come back. They go smell so good up in this kitchen. Alright guys, so I'm gonna flip these over. Oh man, yeah, I had to rush. Let me turn this over. You don't want them to burn up, okay? You don't want them to burn up. Ooh. Try to use a non-stick pan as well. I got this tea fowl, whatever you want to call it. Remember I told y'all you don't have to fry up the onion and stuff first if you don't want to. You don't have to because, look, you see it's cooking right now in the pot. So you're not going to really taste all that onion flavor and stuff You're gonna taste it, but it's gonna taste good. Everything gonna complement each other, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna finish frying these up. And when I come back, I'm gonna show y'all the finished results, the finished product. So I just got one more batch to make. And then we're done. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Alright guys, so the first batch is done. See it there. See it there. Looks yummy. Yummy in my tummy. Nice and flat, flat. I wish my stomach flat like this. But yeah. That's how I like it. So Saltfish Fritters. Let me try it for you so you can see how it tastes. Let me taste it for you. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give this a taste test. So see thing there. Ooh, can't wait to taste this. Ooh, sure. Still hot. Still hotter than hot. Alright. So delicious, guys. Not salty at all. Like, it's just perfect. Hi guys, like I was saying, it's not salty at all. I would definitely give this a 10 out of 10. I would say it's thin, but it's okay for me. Ooh. If you don't like nothing too thin, then you could definitely make it thicker, like I told you. Add more flour and all that. Woo. Yo. I'll be making some more. Yeah. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness, okay? For more awesomeness, guys, don't forget to share with a friend. Tell a friend never share with the other friend. And tell a friend never share with the next friend. Okay? Keep a domino effect. Bye.